Thank you guys so much for cooking.
Yeah, if you guys look how good... Mason, have you got it yet?
No. Oh, I got it.
He got it, bro. He got it. He got his 12 rebirths.
Oh, hold on. I gotta leave really quick. It's doing the glitch.
Okay, so Mason got his 12 rebirths.
Oh my god. Oh my god. Oh my god.
He got it. Woo!
Sam, I'm getting 4 burp points right now.
Oh, are you drinking the Bloxy Cola, bro?
Woo! Sam,
What?
you see me? I'm right over here, but I'm bigger. Oh, this kid named Wham thinks he's gonna be bigger than me this whole time. Little does he know, I have 12 meters, and he has none.
Oh, guys, my Chromebook does this, okay, guys? So just ignore it. Guys, my Chromebook always does this. Just ignore it.
I had to mute the music. Sam, you know you can mute the music in this game.
Yeah, I do know that. What's going on?
I always mute it. It's really annoying to hear.
So, guys, yeah, let's just... Sorry about that, guys. It was just like... It was the fan, you know?
This fan sucks.
Yeah, it does. I need a new computer. This one's broken.
Don't, Sam. You dropped it. Be grateful. I have my broken iPad because I get so mad at it, and I don't want to talk about it.
Yeah, but I can barely see. I have to sacrifice my eyes to make these videos for you guys.
Yeah, he accidentally dropped it. Like, how'd you drop it? Like,
I was holding it, and I dropped it. And then the corner got bent.
bro, what is he saying to you? I love burping. Well, you're in the right game, Buster.
Yep. And he's a junk bot, too.
Oh, then it works out because Flamingo says that. Sam, remember your face on the talk show?
Oh, yeah.
Sam, how did you not find that funny? That was literally the funniest face in the world.
What the heck? It was confusing. I mean, like...
Yeah, you were just like, yep, dragon balls. And then you get scared by the bee.
I love your screens where you're like, oh!
Oh, have you seen that meme? This girl, she's just like, oh, I mean,
I think I've seen that before.
What?
I think I've seen it.
I mean,
If you guys enjoyed our Jason and Brookhaven episode, thanks.
Hey, yo, that's kind of sus.
I was good. And guys, we just want to give a shout out to XXX Diamond XXX 100.
100.
Because look at that avatar.
We don't even know the guy, but he just, and Chaos Reach, we can never forget him.
Yeah, but look at XX Diamond 1.
I still like Chaos Reach more.
Yeah, Chaos Reach, guys. Go subscribe to him.
Just go to Chubpug's channels and then you'll find what Sam. Well, we both look at it, but that's Sam's account. But technically, it's both of ours when we make videos.
Yeah.
It's kind of a whole confusing thing.
Yeah.
It's a program. I'm kidding. It's not.
The multi-pacer test is a test that's only.
The fitness grams. Bro, it's fantastic in the game. Yo,
Does he look like him?
That literally looks nothing like him.
Yeah, why do people do that? Like they.
Yeah, there was this person that, you know, I still have feelings for Legends. You know him? Remember?
Bro guy.
Yeah, someone said the F word to him.
Wait, actually?
Yeah, in the game, named Sonic.
Sonic is pretty bad.
I'm gonna look for him and I'm gonna say this to him, Sam.
Keep bro guy's name out your effing mouth.
See, look, Sam, I could do that.
Oh.
I could give him the middle finger.
Why does it not work for me?
I don't know. This is like the only game that it works. The world is too small. My balls are too small. No cap. Oh, I've been shaking and I love it when you go crazy.
Okay, I just typed some random things.
Spare my enemy.
That's a long Ukraine flag.
Yo.
Whoa!
Hey, yo, who's that zesty, man? Sam, look at this. Watch. I cursed that one out. What to say?
Hon, will it loud this? Someone just
Say
taking a bath.
this.
Oh my god.
Say this.
Some random flags like
Oh, the middle finger, Sam.
Roblox is
And
sussy.
I'm proud for what I do. Stand up for Mason and Bottom if you think he's...
Vote for Mason.
Yeah, vote for Mason 2024. I'm no more Trump. It's me, not Trump, guys.
Okay, so basically, the world's gonna be so big. We are gonna
And my balls
improve
are
it. And we're gonna stop China.
You're doing it
For
wrong.
everything.
It's a little bit of...
No, Obama, you're doing it wrong. Yeah, I seen that before. Yo! Kinda want some kiwi right now. Woo!
Oh my god.
Oh! Guys, can you believe that school's basically like already starting?
Sam, I don't want to hear it.
We're not in the same class!
Sam's house, because he just said something that I don't like.
Fire spreading all around.
Sam.
Yeah.
Wanna go to your man, you know.
It makes me sad. What's the point of that song? It's just a cigarette.
Like he used to do.
Honey, don't you love me?
And you know what makes me sad?
Bah! And there's just a piano.
Sam, this is Discord. Beluga's friends be like to him. Guys,
you guys gotta go check out Beluga. He makes really good videos.
Unfortunately, he won't be the balls in the description, okay?
Yeah, guys. Yo, Mason, I just came up with this nickname for you. I'm just gonna call you Meso. Meso.
Okay, pull up.
And just call me Samuel, I guess. Samuel.
No, I'll call you Salami.
Shut it!
Yep, I'm calling you Salami.
Call me
'Cause I hate
Squeaky.
Meso. I hate it on all of my life.
Call me Squeaky Salami.
No, I'm just calling you Salami.
Why not Squeaky Salami?
Because Squeaky's dorky. Salami's not even dorky. It's stupid. and
Salami.
retarded. That's why I like it.
You're saying I'm
By
stupid?
the way, guys, Sam actually likes that. He's just pretending for the video.
Are you kidding me, Mason? Bro, I do not like that.
Neither do I like Meso.
No, okay, I'll call you Ricey. Isn't that good?
Okay, I'll call you Salami then.
Okay. How did he? What the heck? That bacon hair is in my head.
Is this lemon kid still following me? I swear, if he comes over here. Bro, what do you want, kid? Oh my god. When I get better, kid, I swear, Mr. Bombastic's gonna be laying on me, dude.